Here's a step-by-step guide to applying for a U.S. visa as a UAE resident. Step 1. Determine the type of visa. Start by identifying the visa type that matches your purpose of travel. Common categories include the B1, B2 visa for tourism or business, the F1 visa for students, and work visas such as H1B or L1. If you're traveling for transit, an exchange program, or immigrating, choose accordingly. Step 2. Complete the DS-160 form. Fill out the DS-160 form online. Make sure to provide accurate details and upload a passport-size photo that meets U.S. visa photo requirements. Once completed, save and print the confirmation page with the barcode. You'll need it later in the process. Step 3. Pay the visa fee. Create an account on the U.S. Visa Information and Appointment Services website. After logging in, pay the non-refundable visa application fee. Keep a copy of the payment receipt, as it will be required during your appointment. Step 4. Schedule an appointment. You'll need to book 2 separate appointments, one at the Visa Application Center, VAC, for biometrics, fingerprints, and photo, and another at the U.S. Embassy in Abu Dhabi or the U.S. Consulate in Dubai for your visa interview. Step 5. Prepare for the interview. Gather all necessary documents, including your DS-160 confirmation page, appointment confirmation, valid passport with at least 6 months validity beyond your intended stay, visa fee receipt, and supporting evidence such as employment letters, bank statements, or invitation letters depending on your visa type. Step 6. Attend the appointments. Visit the VAC first for your fingerprints and photo, usually scheduled a day or 2 before your embassy consulate interview. Then attend your in-person interview at the scheduled time. Answer all questions honestly and confidently. The officer may ask about your travel plans, ties to the UAE, and financial stability. Step 7. Wait for processing. After the interview, if your visa is approved, your passport with the visa will typically be returned to you via courier within 3 to 5 working days. You can track the status online for updates. Though the process is simple, getting a U.S. visa is difficult. To ensure your U.S. visa gets approved without hassles, connect with www.usvisa.ae. Our experts will help you with collecting the right documents, making payments securely, being prepared for the interview, getting quick approval. Visit www.usvisa.ae for more information.